So the end user would select the task, and in would load the frame area in which indeed the components would pass through. They would insert a good piece of wood that has no defects present, and what you would see is it would go down this path and basically inspect for features, anomalies, things of that nature that are outside of the range for quality. So here we have a good part. Then we'll load in the next piece, and you can see how it will look for feature set, and as it finds those features present, it will indicate exactly where the defects are. So in this case, the user would end up cutting in this particular area here to remove this section, and then also in this area to remove this section. So we'll load another piece in. We have one with some nail holes in here with some nice characteristics that certainly can be designed to make those acceptable. So in this particular case, these holes are acceptable for this test, as well as some of these other features here, as you can see. And then as this passes through, you'll see that a defect area back in this section here is an area where we would cut off here. We would leave this. If this is acceptable, we could certainly design in a test so that we could find those features if necessary. Another sample, the user would load in through this fixture, and the system would then again begin inspecting. Here we have a good section, good piece. And as we continue through the process, you'll see that there's a location here that needs to be removed. This, of course, could be removed if we set it up, but it also could be kept if this was one interesting feature that you wanted to have accessible. Last piece that I have, load in. You'll see that we've got a defect in this position here. And as this continues on through, you now have a defect in both the forward-facing area and, of course, the rear-facing area here.